Okay, now we will talk about kinds of common noun. Common noun has four kinds. The first one is concrete noun. Let us learn the definition and use of concrete noun. Concrete noun is the name of something which we can experience this group of nouns with our five senses. What does it mean? It means if you want to learn concrete noun, you have to first learn about your five senses. Our five senses can work on concrete noun. Like we have five senses: sense of sight, sense of smell, sense of hearing, and sense of touch, sense of taste. When these five senses work on a noun, you can feel with these five senses a noun. That is called concrete noun. Concrete noun has physical existence. You can see, you can hear, you can touch, you can taste, and you can smell that. That is called, okay. For example, Ahmad likes to read English books every day. So, can you recognize, can you identify concrete noun in this example? If yes, then please do it. I already did that. I circled and underlined a concrete noun in this example. Books. It is a concrete noun in this example. So here is the list of some concrete nouns. The first one is student. Experience it. You can see the student. You can touch the student. The second example is book. The third one is board. The fourth one is pencil. The fifth one, table, cell phone, etc. Okay. After that, we have the second kind of common noun, that is abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Let us learn abstract noun. An abstract noun is a noun that denotes something viewed as a non-material referent. It means abstract noun is that noun which is not made up of any material. Abstract noun is treated as mass noun. What is mass noun? Mass noun is that noun which you cannot count, which cannot be counted. Okay. We have three types of abstract noun. The first shows state, the second shows quality, and the third shows action. So let us learn how to make a state, how to make quality, how to make action. If you want to make a state an abstract noun, so you can make an abstract noun which shows state from noun plus suffix. Before proceeding to make an abstract noun which shows state, you have to learn about suffix. What is suffix? Suffix are some words that we put at the end of another word to make its meaning changed. That is called suffix. So if you want to make an abstract noun from pure noun, you have to add suffix with that. Noun plus suffix equal to abstract noun. That abstract noun will show state. For example, here is one example. Friend. Friend is a pure noun, pure common noun. So if you want to make it an abstract noun and shows state, you have to use suffix at the end of friend, like friendship. a non-material referent. It means abstract noun is that noun which is not made up of any material. Abstract noun is treated as mass noun. What is mass noun? Mass noun is that noun which you cannot count, which cannot be counted. Okay. We have three types of abstract noun. The first shows state, the second shows quality, and the third shows action. So let us learn how to make a state, how to make quality, how to make action. If you want to make a state an abstract noun, so you can make an abstract noun which shows state from noun plus suffix. Before proceeding to make an abstract noun which shows state, you have to learn about suffix. What is suffix? Suffix are some words that we put at the end of another word to make its meaning changed. That is called suffix. So if you want to make an abstract noun from pure noun, you have to add suffix with that. Noun plus suffix equal to abstract noun. That abstract noun will show state. For example, here is one example. Friend. Friend is a pure noun, pure common noun. So if you want to make it an abstract noun and shows state, you have to use suffix at the end of friend, like friendship. It became an abstract noun. Now this abstract noun shows state. The second one is quality. If you want to make an abstract noun and shows quality of a noun or of a people, something, or places, then use adjective plus suffix. That will give you quality. For example, said. Said is an adjective. Add suffix with it, then you will have the quality abstract noun. Sadness. Said is a suffix. So sadness is an abstract noun which shows quality. The third one is verb plus suffix. When you add suffix with verb, that makes an abstract noun which shows action. For example, satisfy. Satisfy is a verb. If you use suffix at the end of this verb, you will have satisfaction. So it shows action. Abstract noun is totally opposite to concrete noun. How? We already talked about concrete noun. Mean our five senses can feel, or our five senses can work on concrete noun. But our five senses do not work on abstract noun. Your five senses, I already discussed about that, could not work on abstract noun. Here is the list of abstract nouns. Friendship. You cannot see friendship. You cannot touch. You cannot taste. You cannot smell. So your five senses do not work at all. Peace, love, hat, charity, feelings, success, law, hope, pride. These are abstract nouns. Okay, next, the third kind of common noun is collective noun. Definition. Collective noun is the name of collection of people, places, or things taken together and spoken as one. Mean, collective noun is the combination of more people, more places, more things, but we will collect them in a single noun. That is called collective noun. Collective nouns are singular in form but plural in meaning. What does it mean? Like team. For example, if we take the example of a cricket team, there are 11 players in cricket team, but the word team signifies and identifies all the players in team. Family. There are more people in family: father, mother, son, daughter, wife, and there are a lot of people in family, but the word family is a collective noun which signifies, which identifies, mean all the members of the family. Crowd. Crowd is a collective noun which shows, mean a lot of people get together. That is called crowd. Army. There are a lot of soldiers in army, but the word army is a collective noun. It shows all the soldiers in army. Note. So you have to note these things. These are very important things about collective noun. When collective noun is followed by singular verb, then it shows some of the people, some of the places, or some of the things. But if it is followed by plural verb, then it shows all the people, all the places, or all the things. I hope you understood. If not, then look at the example. For example, my team is playing well. So here, if you see, I drew an arrow from team to as, to be verb. This is a singular verb. Team is followed by as. Since it is followed by singular verb, then team shows here some of the players in my team. The above example shows that some of the players are playing well. Not all the players are playing well. But here is another example. Pay close attention, please. My team are playing well. Here, team is followed by plural verb, helping verb are. So, since it is followed by plural verb, then this example shows that all the players are playing well. Mean, in my team, all the players are playing well.